Chrome shine bright in the morning sun, big V8 and she's ready to run. Dust kicks up when I press the gas, rolling strong in my Dodge Ram fast. Back road winding through the land, stealing power in my hands. My Dodge Ram rolling down that road, heavy wheels and a heavy load, engine roar like a thunder slam. Ain't nothing stronger than my Ram. Through the mud, through the rain, through the night, I am riding free in my Dodge Ram. Tools in the back, boots on the floor. She's been through storms and a whole lot more. From city lights to the farmland grass, every mile with my Dodge Ram lasts. Turn the key and the whole world shakes. Feel that power when the engine wakes. My Dodge Ram rolling down that road, heavy wheels and a heavy load, engine roar like a thunder slam. Ain't nothing stronger than my Ram. Through the mud, through the rain, through the night, I am riding free in my Dodge Ram. Some folks drive just to get somewhere. I drive mine for the open air, steel and grit in every mile.